Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an Indonesia or Bali visa online. So this is helpful or useful because it lets travelers complete the process before arriving and can help save time at the airport. So the application is done online, and in this video I'll walk you through the steps in a simple and clear way. To begin, go to the official Indonesia eVisa website. So the link can be placed in the description so it's easy to find. So once you're on the site, you can check the general information and facts section if you want to understand the process first. So when you are ready, click the apply button. After that, choose your country, then select the main and sub purpose of your visit as a tourism. So you'll also be asked how long you plan to stay, and the available option will be 30 days. Then click detail and apply. So on the next page, you will see the main visa details. The visa is valid for 30 days and the fee is 500 Indonesian rupiah, which is around 35 US dollars. So it will also show the basic requirements, including a passport that is valid for at least 6 months and an outbound ticket from Indonesia. After reviewing that information, click apply. Now, upload a soft copy of the passport and a photo. The page will show the correct format for both. So check that before uploading. Then click next, and then a pop-up will appear with the passport details taken from the document. So review everything carefully, and if it's correct, click yes. And after that, check the auto-filled details and complete the remaining information, including the accommodation details. Next, upload the passport again along with the proof of the outbound ticket. Enter the email address and click next. So review the whole application carefully. Tick the check boxes to confirm the information, accept the terms and conditions, and then click save. So if more people need to be added, use the add other button. Once everything is complete, click submit. So after submitting, an email will be sent to the provided email address and will redirect the applicant back to the same page. So from there, the payment can be made. So payment must be completed within about 4 hours and 30 minutes or the application will expire. There may also be a small extra bank charge. So once the payment is successful, a receipt will be issued and the eVisa on arrival will be sent by email shortly after. So the last step is to print a hard copy of the eVisa and bring it for immigration when arriving in Indonesia. So the visa can also be extended for another 30 days if needed. So that's the full process, and it becomes much easier when all the documents are prepared in advance. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.